In a major breakthrough in the Heera Bagh colony investigation, the Special Investigation Team SIT on Saturday apprehended Shillong James, a property dealer and leaseholder of the building, while he was attempting to flee to Bhopal. He was intercepted at approximately 7:30 p.m. at Bhonsara toll gate in Dewas district, Madhya Pradesh. Following his arrest, James was brought to Indore, where he led investigators to a location where he had allegedly set fire to a box believed to contain crucial evidence. While charred remains of the box were recovered from the site, there were no signs of jewelry, a laptop, or a firearm believed to have belonged to Raj Kushwaha, items suspected to have been removed prior to the incident. A forensic team has examined the area and collected debris for further analysis. In a related development, the SIT also apprehended the building's security guard, Balla Ahirwar, from his native village in Ashoknagar district at around 2 a.m. on Sunday. He had reportedly fled the scene following the incident. Both individuals are being brought to Indore and are expected to be produced in court later today for transit remand proceedings. Investigations are ongoing.